Honey, where are the stockings? And our Christmas decorations? And the Christmas tree? I don't think someone broke in, no. Nobody is breaking in to steal Christmas decorations and leaving the PlayStation behind. Come on, honey. What's going on? Come on, honey. What's going on? And why are we canceling Christmas? Okay. 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 Sorry to cut you off, but it sounds like it's time for couch cuddles and conversation. We need to get to the bottom of this. Now, I ask again, while holding you softly in a comfy, safe space, why is Christmas canceled? I see. I'm sorry. I didn't realize this was such a stressful time of year for you. It's our first Christmas together, and I just got caught up in the holiday spirit, I guess. Is there anything else getting you down? Now, that's worth a squeeze. Honey, I know we don't have much of a Christmas budget. It's okay. I should have told you about this earlier. I already had our gift stuff figured out. I wanted it to be a surprise for you too, but a surprise isn't worth stressing you out like this. Here, you wait right here. I'll be right back. Ta-da! What do you mean, what is it? It's a gnome. This one is dressed like Santa. Well, I knew we didn't have a lot to spend, but I still wanted to have gifts for everyone. And I have so much yarn stashed, I thought I could crochet something for everyone. Yes, everyone gets a gnome. And this one is yours. Do you think it'll work? I know it's a bit silly, but I put some thought into it, and that's what counts, right? Even so, Christmas is more than gift giving. It's holiday cheer and cozy vibes. I don't need you to get me some extravagant gift. You're more than enough. In fact, I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need, and I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I tried. You know I'm no crooner, but it's a good song, and it perfectly expressed how I feel right now. I'm here for you, and you're what I want for Christmas. I want to make new traditions with you. I want to make cookies and drink hot cocoa with you while we nuzzle up against each other on the couch and watch cheesy heteronormative Hallmark movies. Oh, idea time. Hand me the remote. No, we're not watching a Hallmark movie right now. Unless you want to. Oh, thank you, me neither. So just hand me the remote. And there. Cozy fireplace for your home on TV. It's the vibes. Cozy fireplace vibes, all from the comfort of our apartment couch. Now, I don't know about you, but I could go for some hot cocoa. Extra marshmallows? Got it. Be right back. Stay right there. And here we go. Espresso machine makes quick work of a cocoa. It might have been the only thing I got for Christmas last year, but it was worth it. Now, this is just what I wanted. Cuddling you with hot cocoa by the fireplace. Even if it is just on TV, it's just what I want. But that's also not what matters right now. How are you feeling? I'm happy to hear that. I know it can be hard to shake off stress, but I'm here for you. You don't have to face the holidays alone. We're in this together. Now, we aren't going to do it today, but should we put the decorations back up? I don't want them to be a reminder of bad times. I want them to bring both of us some cheer. And if they aren't going to do that, then they don't need to go back up. I think that'll work. I know I went a bit overboard decking the halls. We can set the tree back up tomorrow. Or whenever works for you. For now, though, I just want to hold you and feel your warmth. And the warmth of this hot cocoa.